Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of a picture using an app that comes pre-installed with Windows. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to go over to my search right here, and then I'm going to search for Paint 3D. So here it is right here. So I'm going to click on open. And then I'm going to click on new. So Paint 3D is an app that you can use to remove background of a picture. So on my desktop, I have a picture right here. So I'm going to be using this picture right here for this tutorial to show you how to remove background of a picture. So as you can see, it's a picture of Nigerian Afrobeat singer Wizkid. So to insert this picture on Paint 3D, you can simply drag the picture into the app. Or you can simply go over to your menu and then click on insert and then select the file location. So I have it on my desktop. So here's the picture over here. So you click on it and then you hit on open. So now to remove the background of this picture, I'm going to click on this magic select button. So I'm simply going to drag the sides of the picture to cut out the area I don't want. So when I'm done, I'm going to hit on this next button right here on the right hand side of the screen. So after hitting on next, you see that the app has automatically detected the area I want on the picture, so it has neatly cropped out the picture of Wizkid out of the background. So I'm going to zoom in right now to see if any details is left out. So to zoom in, I'm going to go up to this should I say lever right here, and then I'm going to drag it to the right. So as you can see, the job is neatly done. So I'm going to zoom in a bit because I can see right here there's a little details that is left out. So to do that, I'm going to click on the remove button right here that looks like an eraser. So when I do that, I'm simply going to go over to where I want to add, and then I'm going to click and draw a line there. So that's it right there. So basically how these buttons work, this first one right here, the add button, let's say for instance I want this part of the picture to be added. So all I need to do is to select the add button, and then I'm going to click and draw a line. So when I draw a line, you see that part will be added. So what if I don't want this part to be added, but the app did not do a good job to remove it? So all I need to do is to go back to the right hand side of the screen and hit on this remove button. So I'm going to repeat the same action by drawing a line. As you can see right there, this job is not done, so I still have some patches right there. So I'm going to take my time to remove them. So I'm going to continue drawing the lines until the whole thing is done. So that's it right there. So I'm going to zoom out. So right there I have my image cropped out of the background. So the next thing, if you look at the right hand side of your screen, you see a button right there that is checked. It says Autofill Background. So if you check this button right here, when you click on done and you remove this image from the background, the app will automatically fill the background of the picture for you instead of leaving a patch right there. So I'm going to click on done right now. So after clicking on done, now the picture is separated from the background. So you see what I was trying to tell you about the autofill background right here. So you see, after removing the image, the app automatically filled the background of the image. Although it's not a good job, but it's okay. So right here I have my image separated from the background. So to save this image on its own, I'm simply going to right click on it, and then I'm going to copy it. So when I'm done copying, I'm going to create a new document by hitting on Ctrl-N on my keyboard. And then right here is going to give me a fresh page. So I'm going to paste my image right here by right clicking on my desktop and then hit on paste, or you can simply hit on Ctrl-V on your keyboard to do that. So now that my image is pasted on my canvas, so I'm going to resize it. So that is it right there. That's basically how to remove the background of your image. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to export this image from here. So to export this, I'm going to head over to the top left corner of my screen, and then I'm going to hit on the menu button right there, and then I'm going to hit on the save as button. So right here you get to save the image in any format you want. You have three options right there. You have image, you have 3D model, we have video. So I'm going to be saving it as an image. So I'm going to click on the image button right here. So after clicking on image on the right hand side of your screen, you get to choose the file type. So when you hit on the file type, the drop down menu appears where you have different types. where you have different file types. We have PNG, we have JPEG, we have BMP, and so on. So I'm going to select PNG right here so that the image can have a transparent background and I can place it wherever I want. So after selecting PNG, you're going to go over to the bottom and then you're going to check this transparency button. So when transparency button is checked, you see that the background, the white background of the image is gone. So you have this checkered background right here. So I'm going to hit on the save button right here at the bottom. And then right here is going to need you to select a location for your file. So I'm going to select desktop and then I'm going to rename it as Wizkid. So when I'm done, I'm going to hit on the save button right here. So when I go over to my desktop, right here I have the image, so I'm going to open it. So here is my image right here open on my Photos app on Windows. So what I'm going to do to this image right now, so I'm going to crop this image because right here on the app I have some space by the sides. So I'm going to crop out the space on my Photos app. So I'm going to hit on this crop button right here and then I'm going to adjust this. So when I'm done, I'm going to hit on the save copy button right here. And then I'm going to choose a file location. I can still leave the name or I can just simply add a number to it. So I'm going to say Wizkid 1 and then I'm going to hit on the save button. So if I go over to my desktop, I have my image right there. So I can place this picture anywhere I want, any document I want. So let's say I'm going to place this on Microsoft Word. So I'm going to hit on the insert button right here, click on pictures, this device. So I'm going to select the file location and then here I have my picture right here. So I'm going to click on the insert button. So right here I have my picture. So right now I can give it whatever background I want. So I'm going to go over to insert. So that's it right there, guys. That's how to remove the background of a picture using Paint 3D. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you and I'll see you on the next one.